This van was built literally just for me and nobody else. We messed up a lot and wasted a lot of wood because we didn't know what we were doing. As long as you have a clear vision and you want it super badly, and you will meet the right people that will help you get to where you want to be. Good morning, world. I'm Katya, and this is my van, Grandpa Pearl. Let's check it out. Welcome to my van kitchen. This is where I cook things. I don't know. I have all of these hanging spatulas and whatever, silverware. I keep my dishes up here. So I have like plates and mugs and whatever. And up here I keep food. It's kind of sparse right now. I have more like little storage things here, like all my like pencils, utensils, lighters, whatever, more food and oils and whatever. But I did this because I definitely wanted like something that would be kind of like a little table, and I wanted to do it in a way that would kind of maximize the storage. I don't really have dead space because of the way that this is built. Like this kind of, you can use all of this. Cleaning supplies are also down here. Pots and pans are down here. I don't have a fridge right now. I think I want to get one maybe next year. So I just use a cooler for now. But I haven't really even needed a fridge or a cooler because when I was in the mountains it was kind of cold outside, so to keep stuff cool I just put my goat cheese and my cheeses and whatever in the windshield. It works, you know. Or I just eat it faster. And I keep a camping stove in here. I just open this up. I open this little window right here. I also have a little fan and it blows the steam out. I just do all my cooking over here. This is like my favorite thing in my van because I love to cook. I love this window thing. So this window was the other way. So me and my brother, who helped me build the van, we actually took the window out because that was like on this bottom corner right here. So we took it out and we flipped it so that I could have this here. I love it. I think it's so cool. Also, I'm really proud of the tile work. This was my first time doing tile, and I think it looks sick. So this is actually a milking stool that I found at a thrift store recently. I love it. This is like everyone's favorite part of my van for some reason, is the stool. So I've had Grandpa Pearl for about 2 years, but I have only been living in it full time since June. So what is that, 6 months? Before that, I would just kind of use it as like a home base. I built it because I had extra money from COVID and stimulus checks and whatever. So I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to build a van. And my brother wasn't working, I wasn't working. So we just went ham for 5 weeks. We were just like, we're building a van. I bought this thing for $2,000. We messed up a lot and wasted a lot of wood because we didn't know what we were doing. I think by the end, I probably spent $8,000 or $9,000 maybe. Okay, welcome to my bedroom. This is where I sleep. It was a full-size bed, but then I trimmed off like maybe this much from the end, so it's a little bit shorter. Yeah, the intention was to sleep the long way. I think it's like exactly 5'2", basically, which is my height. Same with the roof. When I stand up, this is exactly 5'2", so like only I can stand in here. This van was built literally just for me and nobody else. This storage area is super nice. I just keep all of my like camping stuff. Like I have hammocks in here, I have snorkeling gear, I have beach blankets, I have a record player in there, extra bags and stuff. Under the bed, I have a huge drawer that's basically almost the full length of the bed, and that has all of my clothes. I really like this window a lot because this is like the perfect place to watch the sunrise, and I can keep books in here, and I have like candles and stuff. Yeah, this I actually just found at a thrift store, so I just drilled it into the wall. I want to like decorate this a little bit more. That's kind of my next project, is add more like framed pictures and stuff like that and paintings. But I love everything about it. It's hard to say what my favorite thing about my bedroom is because literally every little piece of wood in here, every object, everything hanging on the walls, everything has a story behind it. So I just love all of it. I guess like when people ask me like what I do, I say that I do environmental consulting, but I don't do it all the time. It's kind of project-based, so I'm an independent contractor, but I've been working for the same company since I built the van, actually. So I do that, and then I also just hustle random things. Like I have a bunch of shark teeth from North Carolina, so I started making necklaces out of them and selling them for 35 bucks a piece on Instagram. Instagram has really helped a lot because you can just sell stuff to people. And then I also have a YouTube channel. Check it out, Tropical Russian. And I started monetizing that channel like a year ago. So I get a little bit of money from that and get a little bit of money from TikTok, get a little bit of money from Facebook, and somehow it just always works out. I don't know. There's never like just one thing that I'm doing. And up here I have more storage, which is basically crafts. And then I also have like some electronics on this side. So like my drone and all my GoPro stuff and whatever I keep over here, but mostly crafts. This is the front of my van, and this is where I keep all of my electrical stuff. I have actually I have 3 external batteries now that are each 300 watts. And Jackery just sent me this battery that came with a solar panel. So now I can be off grid, which is pretty cool. This basically just folds out and I put it outside on my dashboard and I can charge up all of my batteries actually. It's just not really as efficient as using the inverter though. So I also have this inverter, which while I'm driving, I just plug it in, and those 2 batteries are wired to each other. So as one's charging, the other one is also charging. Yeah, because every time I drive, like those charge up pretty quickly. So I haven't really, unless I'm staying in one place for a long time, then sometimes I'll run out of power. Which is why I'm really excited about the solar panel. I haven't actually gone camping with the solar panel yet. So I'm hoping that'll kind of solve that issue if I do want to stick around somewhere in the woods in the middle of nowhere for a week without turning my van on. That would be ideal. I don't know how possible it is though, because it charges pretty slow. This is where I keep all of my shoes. I used to just pile them into here, and then recently I was like, I need to make some door pockets. That would make way more sense. So yeah, keep all my shoes here. And then on this side, I keep all of my toiletries, soaps, and whatever. I like that they're outside like this, so when I go to a gym or I find a shower or whatever, I just open this and I can grab it right away. It's super convenient. I do not have a bathroom. For bathrooms and showers, I just go to public parks and whatever. I used to have a gym membership, so that was like probably the most convenient thing. But on this last trip, I tried to challenge myself with not getting a gym membership and just seeing if I could find spigots and outdoor showers and do it that way because the weather is pretty nice in the south. And rivers. Yeah, I bathe in rivers and I in the woods. Now we're at the back of my van, and these are my storage drawers. Crafts. Only crafts. I have like essential oils and like lotion making stuff and like paint. And yeah, it comes out pretty far. This is like a really tiny drawer, and this is just for basically car stuff. So everything that keeps Grandpa Pearl alive. I have a lot of life advice. There was one that I liked that my brother told me recently. He said, if all you do is think, all you have are thoughts. So basically, don't get stuck thinking and dreaming about doing something like this. Just do it, you know? And even if you don't have experience and you don't know what the hell you're doing, like as long as you have a clear vision and you want it super badly and you believe in yourself, like you will meet the right people that will help you get to where you want to be. Okay, well, thanks for coming to my little hut. And follow me on Instagram and YouTube. And I'll hopefully be posting a lot of van life videos pretty soon. So, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Okay, bye.